Our P791 Beachcroft seating collection features rust-free aluminum frames with hand-woven resin wicker. We have sectional seating as well as a sofa option. With a modular sectional, many configurations can be made to fit the customer's space. Items include left and right arm facing love seats, a curved corner chair, and an armless chair. Plus, in addition to the sofa, we have an awesome swivel rocker lounge chair. All the fabric is our high-performance Nuvella brand, and we also include the throw pillows with the sectional and curved chair. In addition, we have a porcelain top end table and our new rectangular fire pit. The fire pit includes a CSA 30,000 BTU burner, decorative glass beads, and a protective weather cover. The burner cover can be used to convert the fire table into a cocktail table. The fire pit also features a user-friendly slide-out system with stainless steel ball-bearing glides to insert the propane tank. A battery is included for the ignition system. The user should always follow the operating instructions. The table can be converted to natural gas use.